subtle common denominator in terms of their polarity and nuances. Right, so a contrast and a polarity and a duality is not the same. Duality is rigid distinctions between, so black and a chicken may be duality, right? But they're not polarity. They might be in some context, a contrast. The whole objective of this is to explore the distinctions or the trichotomy between a paradox, ambiguity, and duality. So the wave medium particle in light is considered is dualistic, rigid distinctions, wave, particle. It's a contradictory because from one perspective, or one from a special and relativistic perspective, when we deal with frame of reference, we refer to ideas like, in this frame of reference it's a wave, and then in this frame of reference it's a particle.